continue growing throughout your entire life. Humans are the only animals with chins. Blushing is caused by the rush of adrenaline. The cornea is the only part of the body with no blood supply. It gets its oxygen directly from the air. The human body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. Between birth and death, the human body goes from having 300 bones to just 206. The small intestine is roughly 23 feet long. An average-sized man eats about 33 tons of food in his or her lifetime, which is about the weight of 6 elephants. Nephrons, the kidneys' filtering units, clean the blood in the human body in about 45 minutes and send about 6 cups of urine to the bladder every day. 1/4 of your bones are in your feet. You can't breathe and swallow at the same time. The average person produces enough saliva in their lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools. There are about 10,000 taste buds on the human tongue, and in general, girls have more taste buds than boys. The left side of your brain controls the right side of your body, and the right side of your brain controls the left side of your body. Our brain is programmed to erect the inverted image formed on our retina by the convex eye lens. A newborn baby sees the world upside down till its brain starts erecting it. In camera terms, the human eye is about 576 megapixels. While awake, your brain produces enough electricity to power a light bulb. You carry on average about 4 pounds of bacteria around in your body. Sometimes the pain from scratching makes your body release the pain-fighting chemical serotonin. It can make the itch feel even itchier. As people get older, their skin gets thinner, drier, and less elastic, hence wrinkles start appearing. An adult skin weighs around 3 to 4 kilograms. Diaphragm, which is a thin membrane under the lungs, sometimes twitches, causing a sudden intake of air, which is interrupted by a throat closing. This is what we call hiccups. On average, human body contains enough iron to make a nail 2.5 centimeter long. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more content.